Hello grade 6 students, welcome back to Science, and this is video number 4. So we're still in Unit 2, the human body, and our topic is important nutrients for the body, and this is part 2 out of 3. So you'll find this in your book, Targeting Science, Primary 6, pages 27 to 28. So let's start. Okay, so you already know about the 5 food groups, right? And they're important to our body. And you already know that there are 6 nutrients and they are divided into 2. What are those? Okay, nutrients that give energy and nutrients that, do not give energy. So what are the nutrients that give energy? Again, you have your protein, and then you have your carbohydrates and fats. So how about nutrients that do not give energy? Your water, vitamins, and the last one. Okay, very good. Your minerals. Okay, so nutrients that give energy, you have your proteins. What's next again? Come on. Carbohydrates, and the last one is fats. So we're done with proteins already. So today we will talk about carbohydrates and fat. Okay, carbohydrates. So carbohydrates give us energy. Do you remember what I told you about the protein last time? That it is not the main source of energy for our body? Because the carbohydrates are the body's main source of energy. If there are 3 choices, it will be carbohydrates first, fats, and the last one will be your protein. So, they are found in your starchy foods like your taro, potato, rice, and corn. They are also found in sugar and processed food like your bread here and noodles. Your pasta, they're carbohydrates too. So, carbohydrates are useful to our body in giving energy for our activities and keeping us warm. Do you notice if you eat a lot, okay, and then later you feel warm? That's it. Okay, an active person needs more carbohydrates than a lesser active person. Okay, if the person does not have enough carbohydrate, he feels tired easily. So, if you don't do things a lot, then you need lesser carbohydrates. But if you work a lot, if you do exercise every day, then you have to eat more carbohydrates. So, there's another type of carbohydrate that is called fiber. So, fiber cannot be digested by our body, but it helps the food we eat to move properly through our stomach and intestines, producing soft stool or feces. Okay? In other words, that's poop. So food rich in fiber are your vegetables, just like your green leafy vegetables. Okay? Whole wheat bread, fruits, and also brown rice. Okay, and there is a condition in which a person experiences difficulty in passing out stool. So when you go to the toilet and you want to defecate, you want to poop, but you cannot, then you might be experiencing constipation. Okay, just like here. The stool cannot pass out. Okay? So what do? You have to eat more carbohydrates that has fiber in it, okay, because it helps with your digestion and it will make your stool softer and easily to pass. Okay, signs of nutrient deficiency. If you lack carbohydrates, you'll have tiredness because of lack of energy, and you have weak and lean muscles. Remember, carbohydrates gives energy and it's the main source of energy for our body. Next, you have your fats. Okay, fats give us energy. There is vegetable fat like soybean oil, sesame oil, and coconut oil, and animal fat like pork, butter, and milk. So fats are useful to our body in storing energy and keeping us warm. Okay, breaking down of vitamins A, D, E, K for the body to easily use them. These are the vitamins that if you don't have fat, then our body cannot absorb it because we need fats to metabolize them or to break down. Okay, so this is the layers of our skin here, skin, fat, and muscle. You see the yellow part? Actually, when you open our skin, okay, don't try to do this. You might want to try to find a video on YouTube. When you open our skin here, the layer after your skin is color yellow. Why? Because it's the fat. Okay, so people living in cooler areas need more fats to keep them warm. And fats also help in maintaining healthy skin and hair. So, carbohydrates that are not used up are stored as fats. So, if you had a lot of carbohydrates and you don't move, you don't exercise, you just lay down, watch the TV, okay, then those carbohydrates that are not used by our body will become fat. That's why we get bigger. So, signs of nutrient deficiency, it will be dry skin and tiredness because of lack of energy. Again, fats gives energy also. Okay, science fact, obesity means having too much body fat. Okay, there are many things that make people obese, just like your eating routine. Eating routine means you eat a lot, like for one day you eat like 5 times, okay, and you eat fatty foods. And lifestyle, if you don't do much, you just lay around, watch TV, use the computer, you don't do workout or exercise, and genetics also with our family. So obesity can cause many health problems, for example, like feeling tired easily, difficulty in breathing, and heart disease. Okay, and we have nutrients that do not give energy. What are those again? 3. First one is your water. Next, vitamins and minerals. So let's talk about water. Water does not give us any energy, but it is very important to the body and we cannot live without it. We should drink how many glasses? 6 to 8 glasses of clean water each day. And if it's too hot, then you can drink more. Okay? So we should also get water from we also get water from the foods we eat, like soup, noodles, vegetables, fruits, and fruit juices. So water is useful to our body in being part of organs and other body structures. If you don't have enough water in your body, you might be dehydrated, especially your kidneys, okay? Your kidneys needs water also. Controlling body temperature. If it's too hot, just like in summertime, what do? If you feel hot, you drink more water because again it controls our body temperature. And moving substances within your body. Remember, your blood is liquid and also sending out waste from the body. Okay, how? By the urine. Urine is liquid also. If you don't have enough water in your body, then your kidneys cannot produce urine. So the waste from your body will stay inside and it's dangerous. Okay, so you drink water 6 to 8 glasses. Okay, did you know that our body is made up of 60 to 70% of water in terms of mass? Okay, this means if you weigh 30 kilograms, your body contains about 18 kilograms of water. Therefore, water is very important to us. We can live for a few weeks without food, but we will die in a few days without water because you will be dehydrated, and if you are dehydrated, your body organs will start to deteriorate. It will not work properly. That's why water is very important for our body. Okay, signs of nutrient deficiency. Again, I told you already. Dehydration, weight loss, dry lips, dry skin, and fast heartbeat. Okay, when the body lacks water, less blood is pumped from the heart, and this causes lower blood pressure, tiredness, lack of oxygen. Why? Because the blood the blood delivers the oxygen throughout our body. Okay, so our organs and brain cells will deteriorate and may cause death. So that's how the water is very important to our body. Okay, homework this week. You'll find this in your Targeting Science Primary 6, page 65. You will answer numbers 1 to 5 only. Circle the correct answer for each question. Read and understand carefully. If you don't understand it, you can go back to the book or play this video again, and then you'll find the answer and you'll understand more. So stay tuned for our next video. We will study more about the nutrients. So good job. Thank you for listening. Keep safe and take care.